After a very long search for a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, I finally found a moisturizing shampoo, conditioner and hair mask that I'm going to be trying with you guys. But before that, in this video I'm going to be doing a product haul for you guys to see the new product that I will be using for my relaxer. So this package contains both some product that I have been using before and the new one that I'm going to be trying out with you guys. Let us see if this product is going to work well and act as it claimed to be a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner as well as the hair mask. So if this is what you love to watch, consider watching this video to the end. Don't go anywhere. If you're like me, that you have been looking for a moisturizing product, then this video is for you. If your hair is always dry after using some certain product that contains a lot of protein, then you might want to take this video very seriously. So watch the video to the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel. I am Alice and I share content based on relaxed hair care, routine, DIY hairstyling and product review. So this channel gives you a lot of amazing tips, hair growth, motivation and guide, as well as visible journey that shows amazing results. So do well to hit the subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Share the video to anyone that will be interested in content like this. So let us dive into the product haul. Let me show you guys the package. So this is the package of what I'll be showing you guys. Okay, I know this is not an unboxing kind of thing, so that's why I called it a product haul. So the first thing I have here, I got a new satin bonnet. So this one that has this rope that you have to tie. I have the elastic one, but sometimes when I sleep it pulls out, so as I got this rope, so I'm able to tie it firm. And blue is my favorite color, just in case you want to buy me something that requires color. Why am I saying this? So the next one I have is the shower cap, because I'm going to be relaxing my hair soon and I'll be doing my hair mask. Plus remember, I just got a moisturizing hair mask, so I need this. And as usual, blue is my favorite color, because somebody asked me, you always say that blue is your favorite color, but I don't see anything blue, so I started doing that now that I buy things myself. So yeah, I know this is not part of it, but sorry, pardon me for that. Then the next thing is this one. I got a new spray bottle, because the two I have, one of them got this nozzle spoiled, and then the other one my nephew spoiled it, so I had to get a new one. And then this brush for my hair, the other one I have, it has gone. This one, now the product, this is the hair mayonnaise. This one, you guys have seen me use this one. I'll be relaxing my hair, so I'll be using this. And yeah, this one is part of the one that I've been using before. So let us dive into the new product that I will be trying. You guys, I don't know, I have mixed feelings. You know that feeling you get when you want to try something new? That is the feeling I'm having, because you know, some products, even though they are popular products, sometimes they might either cause disaster or give you a good result. But hopefully by God's grace, this doesn't give me a disaster, because my hair is so precious to me. You guys, this one first. This is an hair serum, hair booster serum, fast action. This is a Mediana product, and I'm familiar with Mediana products. I've used their conditioner, their shampoo. No, I've used their conditioner. I love that their conditioner, very well, it's very nice. So this their serum is the light kind of serum because it doesn't look that thick from the look of it. And what attracted me is it says rapid hair growth, scalp and itch treatment, shines and strengthens the hair. So it's actually the ingredient that got my attention. So when I checked it, then I saw coconut oil, tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, shea butter, cacao oil, chebe extract, sweet almond oil. So like literally amazing oils that they mix to get this hair serum. So we're going to be trying this hair serum, although this is not the hair serum that I want to use after relaxing my hair. Hopefully I'll get that one before I relax my hair. If I don't get that one, then I'm just going to use this one to blow dry my hair. Then the next one is my relaxer. You guys know I'm back to using my Mega Grow relaxer because the last time I tried using Lush relaxer, it didn't relax my hair very well. So, and even I said I wanted to get the super strength, but I did not see the super strength and I can't wait any longer. I really want to relax my hair, so that's why I got the regular strength relaxer. I bought 4 of this pack, 4 of this sachet, 4. So I'm gonna use that. And then down to the new product, to the new moisturizing product I'll be using. You guys, I don't know if you're familiar with this product. If you are, let me know in the comment section. This is actually XHC Botanical Hair Care Moisturizing Naturally Inspired Extract Aloe Vera. It helps add moisture to leave hair nourished and hydrated. So this got me, like I was like, you know what, let me try this. When I saw this, I went down to the ingredients because you know we know they joke with ingredients. So I saw the ingredients here and I did not see anything like hydrolyzed protein because like anytime I go for product, I always see hydrolyzed protein, keratin. So I was like, ah God, I just hope this actually does the moisturizing work because there's nothing like protein here. All I'm seeing is coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, fruit oil, aloe vera, leaf juice, citric acid, grape seed oil. Like literally amazing products that are moisturizing. So that's for the okay, this is the conditioner. Yeah, the conditioner. And then this is the shampoo. You can see this is the shampoo. So this shampoo too, it helps add moisture to leave hair looking shiny and healthy. Vegan shampoo. Then the ingredient also, there's nothing like sulfate here. So we're going to be trying this in another video when I'll be doing my moisturizing wash day routine. You guys, you don't want to miss this. So if you're yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button now to join the family so you can see the results of this. I'm going to be using this after I relax my hair, so you don't want to miss. Okay, I'll be relaxing my hair soon. Maybe after this video my relaxer prep video will come up. Like, just make sure you stay tuned, turn on your notification bell so when I post a video you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, and yeah, so finally the hair mask. I've actually not really used an hair mask product like this. So the same vegan hair mask, it helps add moisture to the hair looking shiny and healthy. So the ingredients, the ingredient is here, just the same thing: coconut, kernel oil, fruit oil, avocado, aloe vera. Like literally, I can't wait to even perceive the smell, but I'm not going to be opening these in this video. I just wanted to show you guys the new product I got. And in my next video where I'll be doing the wash day, I'm going to be sharing both the scent and the feel of the products in my hair. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, let me know in the comment section, and if you've tried this video before, if you're familiar with this product, let me know how was the product when you tried it, so that I'm gonna know. I'm gonna know. Let me know. Hope it's not gonna spoil my hair, but yeah, regardless, I'm still going to try it, so I'm gonna give you guys the feedback. So if I can recommend it to you for you to use, this is not a sponsored video, it's just me doing my regular thing, product review. So yes, hopefully this works for my hair. Hopefully, like, I'll be so happy. Another thing is now getting this particular product when it's finished. I hope it's something that I'll easily get, okay? Because even the VO5 that I usually use, the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, I've been going, like, probably it's because of the location I am at currently, I've not been seeing the VO5, so I just hope this doesn't. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and share the video to anyone that will be interested in content like this. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be either prepping my hair for relaxer day or my relaxer day. Anyone, just stay tuned, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.